Welcome to our channel. Today we delve into the shadows of digital threats that haunt our interconnected world. In this era of advanced technology and seamless connectivity, the term cyber hijacking embodies a chilling reality that affects us all, from individuals to large corporations. Cyber hijacking refers to the unauthorized takeover or control of digital devices, systems, or networks by hackers or malicious actors. It involves gaining access to someone else's technology, such as computers, smartphones, or even important infrastructure like power grids or transportation systems, with the intention of manipulating, stealing data, causing damage, or taking control for malicious purposes. Essentially, it's like someone breaking into and taking control of your digital property without your permission. The impact of cyber hijacking can be significant and wide-ranging, affecting individuals, organizations, and even entire systems or societies. Cyber hijacking can lead to financial damages through theft of funds, ransom demands, or the costs associated with recovering from an attack. Cyber hijacking targeting critical infrastructure or governmental systems can pose a threat to national security, potentially compromising essential services like energy, transportation, or healthcare. Breaches resulting from cyber hijacking incidents can damage the reputation of individuals, businesses, or institutions, leading to a loss of trust among customers, clients, or the public. For individuals, being a victim of cyber hijacking can lead to stress, anxiety, and a sense of invasion of privacy, affecting mental well-being. To protect yourself from cyber hijacking and enhance your cybersecurity, here are several measures you can take. Use strong passwords. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Be cautious of phishing attempts. Install reliable security software. Backup data regularly. Limit access and use of admin accounts. As we conclude our exploration into the realm of cyber hijacking, it's clear that the digital landscape we navigate daily is not without its perils. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. Subscribe for more insights, stay informed, and together, let's build a more secure and resilient digital future. Until next time, stay safe, stay secure.